talk you through the shifts in the country dance C section today. Okay, I'm going to be doing a lot of repeats and stuff in rhythm, so just follow along. Okay, it's an extension shift. I'm extending for the harmonic. The next shift is an elbow shift. I just have to open my elbow to get back to first position. Then we have a same note. Tritone, play that double stop. Listen for ringtones. Half step shift. Elbow. Now replacement shift, because I'm almost replacing this note with a 2, but I'm going to make it a little bit higher. I'm going to move to the G string. It's also called a slingshot shift because you give a lot of energy in your arm and you let it kind of jerk up. You can hear it gives a lot of energy. Listening for ringtones, 2 and 1. Tritone. Half step. Minor 6. Ringtones. Slingshot. Slingshot. Let's practice it with 8th notes, thinking about the shifts. Let's do opposite rhythm. So instead of the what's written, which is kind of nervous violinist, let's use a jazz violinist. Long, quick, long, quick. The double stops, it will help with your intonation overall. Okay, now as written. Thanks for practicing with me.